Welcome to Invasive Files, the podcast where we explore the impacts of invasive species on our ecosystems. Today we're here with me, Celeste Frias, Yasmin Regalado, and Harneet Sadhu. Today we're focusing on a beautiful and destructive plant, the yellow iris, also known as Iris pseudocadoris.
The yellow iris stands out with its tall green stem and bright yellow flowers. It can grow up to 5 feet tall and has long sword-shaped leaves that are easy to spot near wetlands and other watery regions. Although it looks harmless and even attractive, its presence often signals trouble for native environments.
Originally from Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa, the yellow iris was introduced to North America in the 1800s. It was brought intentionally and made mainly for decorative purposes due to its bright appearance. However, once introduced, it quickly began spreading far beyond where it was planted.
Today, the yellow iris has established itself throughout the United States and Canada. It thrives in wetlands, marshes, and along the edges of lakes and rivers, anywhere there is consistent moisture. Its preferred habitats are similar to its original environment, allowing it to adapt easily to its new locations.
The impacts of this species are significant. Yellow iris forms dense mats of vegetation that crowd out native plants, ultimately reducing biodiversity. It alters the natural flow of water and changes the structure of wetland ecosystems. It can even lower oxygen levels in the water, which makes it harder for fish and amphibians to survive. In addition, it's toxic to livestock if eaten, therefore harming animals as well.
So what could be done? Managing yellow iris requires moving entire root systems, which can be difficult since it regrows rapidly. In addition, public education and other efforts such as disencouraging the planting or sale of yellow iris are key strategies to stop its spread.
This situation highlights several important ecological concepts. The yellow iris reduces biodiversity, meaning it decreases the variety of life in the areas it invades. It has high biotic potential, producing many seeds and spreading quickly. Its wide range of tolerance for environmental conditions allows it to survive where many other plants cannot. With few natural competitors or predators in North America, it easily outcompetes native species for resources.
The case of the yellow iris reminds us how a single introduction, even with good intentions, can have long-lasting effects on ecosystems. Careful management and prevention efforts are essential to protect native habitats from further damage.
Thank you for joining us on Invasive Files. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore another species changing the world around us.